Coming up in Emmerdale.
You had Chloe's perfume all over your shirt and you couldn't explain to me how it got there.
Then in Corrie.
I'm just the latest in a long line.
Charlie's got some explaining to do. We've 2 episodes of Coronation Street tonight at 7:30 and 8:30.
On the 22nd of September 1955, television in the UK changed forever. 50 years later.
This is ITV1. We are sorry for the fault. Our team is working to fix the fault. This is ITV1. Can't believe what I'm gonna say, but a cat is armed with a gun in the studio. Normal programming has been suspended due to this situation.